This DIY tutorial will show you the steps needed to install your Dell laptop replacement part. Stay tuned.
Parts people. Shop for parts. Install them yourself.
Use this coupon for Dell laptop parts, repair tools, and screw kits, all available on our website. Links in the description below. Now let's get right into it. It's always a good idea to keep your screws sorted as they're being removed. This will help save time during reassembly. The plastic scribe will come in handy when separating plastic pieces and help prevent damaging your laptop. Always use caution and move slowly through the disassembly process. Disconnecting your battery is important when performing internal repairs of any kind to protect your laptop from electrical damage. Then unscrew and lift left hinge from palm rest assembly. Peel back the tape and disconnect the DC jack cable. Now unscrew and remove the DC jack. Don't forget, all orders on Dell replacement parts are shipped out the same day, only at partspeople.com. The installation is as simple as retracing your steps in reverse. If you still need to purchase your replacement part, click here to visit our site and find it. And while over there, you can view our printable instructions that include images to help you along the way. And also don't forget, we have more playlists here, so keep checking back. I do read your comments, so leave any questions you have for me down below. Thanks for watching.